Welcome back. Joining us in studio this morning, Amanda Flint. She's the superintendent of Neosho Christian School. And as I understand, there's a big banquet coming up this weekend.
Yes, there is. So this Saturday, we're having our benefit banquet for Neosho Christian School. It's one of our two major fundraisers for Neosho Christian.
Oh, that's awesome. Yeah. And, kicking off the banquet, you guys have a silent auction every year as well.
Starting at 5 o'clock, we'll have a silent auction. We have some wonderful items I brought with me today. This is an Aramish stack of bracelets. We have a quilt, a Neosho Christian School quilt that was made, and then a handcrafted knife that was made by Denny Wilson, one of our big supporters of Neosho Christian.
That's beautiful.
Yes.
That's really cool. Yes.
Yeah.
And you have several other items as well.
Yes,
obviously.
We have lots of class baskets, tickets to Branson shows, themed baskets that were put together by our classes, like a camping basket, a coffee basket, just all kinds of cool things, and all that money will go back to the school.
How big is this event? How many people do you usually expect?
We're planning for about 225 people. We still have tickets available. If people are interested in purchasing a ticket, they can go to our website at office@neoshochristianschool.com or call our school at 417-451-1941, and we'll be sure to get you a ticket.
And this is a banquet that you guys put on every year.
Yes.
It's a big fundraiser for the school. Tell me a little bit about Neosho Christian School.
So Neosho Christian School has been around for about 20 years. There's a group of individuals that wanted to start a private school there in the Neosho area. We have a staff of about 11 people who just love kids and love to serve the Lord. And so we go in every day. Our kids go home knowing that they are loved and are cared for every day, which is so important to our kids. So,
and it's grades K through 12?
Yes, pre-K through 12.
Pre-K through 12? Pre-K
through 12, yes. 4-year-olds all the way to senior students, yeah.
All right. Okay, so do you guys have any other fundraisers besides this?
Yes, so in the fall we have Autumn Fest of the Ozarks, which will be at the Newton County Fairgrounds, and then we have little fundraisers throughout the year. Actually, next week we're going to start selling candy bars that our students will be selling. So lots of little fundraisers throughout the year, but this is our major fundraiser because tuition alone doesn't cover the cost of running our school. So.
And you need to pay your teachers.
We do. We need to pay those teachers, especially, they work hard every day. So.
Yeah, that's what I was going to ask, like where do the funds from this go to?
Yes, so it just goes to offset those costs that our tuition doesn't pay. Of course, just paying the electric bill, just our just the main cost of our school.
And as we know, everything has gone up. So
everything has gone up. Yes.
Every penny counts.
Yes,
for sure. And again, this event is Saturday at the Civic Center.
Yes, Civic Center. And then also David Farrell, an awesome Christian comedian, will be there at the event, and so it'll be a nice sit-down dinner brought to you by Briar and Thistle. Great little local restaurant there in the Neosho area.
Awesome. So great food, great entertainment. You have the silent auction aspect of it. Yeah. A good getaway.
Just a good night out. Everybody needs to laugh.
And what time does it all start?
It starts at 5 p.m. and then our sit-down dinner will begin at 6 o'clock.
Okay. Yes. And where can people go to get tickets in advance?
Office@neoshochristianschool.com is our email, or they can just call the school at 417-451-1941, and we will get them tickets.
Can they show up at the door, or do they need them in advance?
Yeah, it's nice if you can give us a heads up, so we'll know, make sure we have enough food.
That's right.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for coming on. I hope you have a good showing this Saturday.
Thank you.
All right. We'll be right back.